everyone. Welcome to Cooking with Benedicta on YouTube. I am excited today. I get to rest. I'm not working today. Yes, today is my day off. So, on to the second episode of our stay-at-home cooking series. So, if you haven't watched the first series, what are you waiting for? Log on to my YouTube channel. It is Cooking with Benedicta in Tastebudzng Kitchen and catch up on our first series of our stay-at-home cooking recipes. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make the most delicious turkey wings. Yes, we're going to be frying and we're going to be sauteing it with some delicious bell peppers. So now, the reason why a lot of us do not get our turkey wings very tender and we weren't able to get all the ingredients to simmer into the turkey wings is because we are in a rush, we're in a hurry to get through with the steaming process. Today I'm going to be showing us how to steam our turkey wings, ensuring that all the ingredients get into the turkey wings before we start frying, before we start sauteing with bell peppers, etc. Guys, you should join me on this one. A lot of you love to have pepper turkey wings with your beer, with your glass of wine, etc. So this is the right time to learn how to get it right. So you don't have to disturb wifey all the time. Help me do this, do that. You should try doing this and then give wifey a surprise. So join me in the kitchen on this second episode of our stay-at-home cooking recipes. Remember, the key is using minimal ingredients. A lot of us have run out of a lot of ingredients in our pantry department. We have very little things left. So I'm trying to show us how we can use minimal ingredients to get very delicious meals prepared. You can have this pepper turkey wings as a side dish with your fries. You can have it as a side dish with your beans meal. You can have it on the side with your favorite rice dish or as a snack. So stay tuned on my YouTube channel. Bye-bye. I have my washed turkey wings, and you can see I have them in different sizes. So sometimes they come pretty big and then sometimes they come quite small. I love to use the very small ones because they are more tender and it's easier for your ingredients to simmer into the smaller turkey wings. But whatever size you do have, you can make the best use of it by just allowing the ingredients to simmer into the turkey wings properly. So today I have all my ingredients before me. I'm going to be seasoning with curry, some rosemary, salt to taste, some Cameroon pepper, some seasoning cubes. Remember to always use seasoning cubes in moderation. Monosodium glutamate, which is MSG, is not so good for consumption. So I'm drizzling my chopped onions into my pot and some chopped ginger. Now remember, we are using minimal ingredients. So whatever it is you have at home will suffice. If it's just salt, pepper, and onions, that will also suffice. So today I am fortunate to have all of these ingredients. So now I'm just going to top it up with water and take it onto the gas stove so we can start the simmering process. Remember, your turkey can simmer for even less than 15 minutes. It depends on how tender your turkey wings are. But today I am simmering for about 15 to 20 minutes. Now I'm topping it up with a little more water because I just found out that my turkey wings is still not as tender as I would want it. Now simmer until the water reduces to the barest minimum. By doing this, you are allowing all the ingredients to go right into your turkey wings. Remember, simmer until the water reduces to the barest minimum. Then bring out your turkey wings into your strainer, because we're getting ready to fry. Now, this is the beef stock, rather the turkey stock that we have left. We're going to keep this aside until we are ready to saute with our bell peppers. This turkey stock is what makes your bell pepper sauce extremely delicious. So you want to set it aside until you're ready for sauteing. So while our turkey is in the strainer and we're letting every drop of turkey juice to go out into the strainer, we're now going to move over the gas top and heat up some cooking oil, getting ready for the frying of the turkey wings. You can use canola oil. You can use any type of vegetable oil you have in your pantry. You can even use coconut oil. So I'm going to be tossing my turkey, my steamed turkey, into my frying oil. Remember to use a long tongue. You do not want to get splashed with hot oil. Maintain a distance from the frying pan. Always maintain a distance from the frying pan. I'll advise you always use a long tongue when frying turkey. Now we're going to be frying them in batches, because we do not want the turkey wings to be too crowded in our wok. Remember, you can allow your turkey wings to brown as much as you would love to. If you want it slight golden brown, that's up to you. I like mine a bit darker brown. Now I'm scooping out all of my turkey stock into a plate, and I'm going to be using this same pot to do the frying of the sauce. The pepper sauce that we're going to be immersing our fried turkey into, or rather the sauce that we're going to be using in basting our fried turkey. So I'm getting the pot all set by removing the turkey stock from the pot. So this is our pot. It's ready, and we're taking this to the gas stop, and we're going to be drizzling a bit of the turkey oil, the oil that we use in frying the turkey. We're going to be putting a bit into the pot, and we're going to sprinkle, or rather we're going to pour in our chopped onions into the oil, and we're going to fry it for about 2 to 3 minutes so the oil is well flavored with the chopped onions. Then we're going to be introducing our chopped bell peppers, or rather our grounded bell peppers. Remember, you don't want your bell peppers blended into a fine paste. You want it to be coarse in texture. So in order for you to achieve this coarse texture, you can use the pulse button on your food processor to get your bell pepper blended coarsely. Same thing goes for your Scotch red bonnet pepper. We want it roughly blended. So use the pulse button to achieve this. And after you've tossed in your bell peppers and your Scotch bonnet pepper, you'll want to introduce your turkey stock into your pot. And you're going to stir this together for about a minute or two. And get ready to introduce your fried turkey wings into your pot. It's as simple as that. And you're all set. That's our fried turkey wings. So we're introducing it into the pot that has our bell pepper sauce. And we're going to be basting this turkey wings on very low heat. Very low heat. I'll need you to turn down your gas knobs to the lowest point that you can, because we need the sauce to absorb itself into the wings of into our turkey wings. You don't want to do this on high temperature because the whole essence is going to be defeated. The sauce is going to get burnt. So we want the sauce and the turkey wings to be properly incorporated, and the only way to get this done is on very low heat. So we're going to do this basting, turning the turkey around and ensuring our pepper sauce goes round for about 3 to 5 minutes, or maybe even 7 minutes. And then our sauteed turkey is all ready. So guys, I'm sure this was a very simple recipe that you can whip up in minutes and enjoy a fantastic dinner with your family.